What's up, guys? My name's Mitchell. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm installing the Vevor 120 volt electric hoist. This is the AC model, not the DC model, and the lift capacity on this is 1,300 pounds, I think. Anyway, I had to get the wireless model because the eaves on my building are 14 foot tall and it's probably 16 or 17 foot to the center. So the brackets that it comes with will not mount on the 2-inch tubular structure that's typical with the metal buildings. So you'll have to get you a piece of unistrut, and comes with some straps and the hardware and everything. Gonna get it mounted up because I got several different uses for it, and I'll show you what it looks like. Stay tuned. So the instructions really don't say a whole lot at all, and they especially don't say anything about how to mount this wireless controller. It comes with this bracket. Basically, you mount the bracket with the hardware that's included, and then this bracket mounts in the existing unistrut bracket mount here, just like that. So I'm gonna put the hoist up in there. I've already got a outlet up here, so it'll plug in up there with the light, and that way it'll be lit at night if I need to skin any deer or any animals, hogs or whatever. And then I'll also use it to take off my topper by myself so that I can put my truck camper on. So here's how it looks installed. It was a little loose on the unistrut, so I went ahead and put some self-tappers through on both sides. Went ahead and ran the wires so they're nice and dressed, and then ran the wire straight down the unistrut. But you can see it's 660 pounds single, and then if you use a pulley, it'll go to 1,320 pounds. If you use it for 1,320 with a pulley, it'll let out and pull in half as fast. So if you want quick with half the weight, 660, or double that up for double the weight. I'll never use it for 1,320 pounds. This will be a lightweight tool, so I'll probably just use it just like this. But there it is, up in the rafters, and we'll get it plugged in and test it out. This is gonna be so nice. Be able to have light, be able to come out here after dark, skin game, wash it off quick with the hose, lift stuff up, and for light duty, again, not too heavy, but light enough for deer and hogs. Super excited. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, take care and God bless.